Latest reports surrounding his possible return to Lockup 2. Fans are excited is because of Yogesh and Akanksha. Many viewers enjoyed watching their journey together. Today, let's talk about Yogesh Rawat and the latest reports surrounding his possible return to Lockup 2. Well, as many of you already know, Yogesh's eviction came as a big surprise to both the contestants and the audience. Soon after he left the show, social media was filled with reactions. Many viewers felt that his journey ended too soon, while others believed he deserved another chance because he was one of the contestants who was actively contributing to the game. Now, according to the latest reports, Yogesh is expected to make a re entry in Lockup 2. However, it is important to mention that the makers have not officially confirmed this yet. So for now, fans are waiting for an official announcement to see whether these reports turns out to be true. If Yogesh does return, it could completely change the atmosphere inside the house. Over the past few weeks, several equations have changed and new friendships have been formed. So his comeback could create new twists and make the competition even more interesting. Well, another reason why fans are excited is because of Yogesh and Akanksha. Their bond became one of the most talked about parts of the show, and many viewers enjoyed watching their journey together. After Yogesh's eviction, Akanksha was also seen getting emotional, which made many fans hope that they would get another chance to meet inside the house. And at the same time, a re entry also means Yogesh will have an opportunity to continue his game and prove himself once again. Since he has already experienced the competition, it will be interesting to see whether he changes his strategy or continues playing the same way as before. For now, everything depends on the official confirmation from the makers. Until then, fans can only wait and see whether Yogesh actually walks back into the lockup house or if these reports remain just speculation. So, what do you think? Do you want to see Yogesh Rawat return to lockup too? And if he does come back, do you think he can become one of the strongest contestants this season? Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.